Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, your Garmin watch tracks your energy like a fool. Basically it goes, watch if body battery isn't showing in your app, here is how to enable it. So, as I told you, in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to enable the bad body battery in Garmin Connect app in 2026. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. So as for the honest truth, there is no actual enable body battery. It's basically a toggle switch inside Garmin Connect that doesn't exist yet. It is not a setting you turn on. It is actually a metric that appears automatically if three things are true. Well, the three requirements are: your watch must support the body battery, since most Garmins from the last 5 years do. I'm talking about Phoenix, Forerunner, Venue, Instant. You should basically go and check the Garmin's website if unsure. As for 2, rest-based heart rate must be on as well. So on your watch settings, go to heart rate, then put the status on on. Then you should wear your watch to sleep, since body battery needs overnight heart rate variability data to basically calculate your morning recharge. Once those are fully met, just go ahead and sync your watch. Body battery appears automatically in your Connect dashboard. So you're gonna ask me where would I find my Connect dashboard? So just to open Garmin Connect, then log in using your email address and password, you will be able to see it here. So as for now, no switches, just data. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.